Another ASMR video. Another ASMR video. Today will be another Christmas themed video. And I'm gonna do a bit more coding. Just a bit more Christmas theme. More Christmas theme. More Christmas theme. Okay. So Christmas themed. So in this little app that I'll be making, I'm gonna make a little program in Java where it's gonna be like a little exchange gift console application. So my idea is I will like decide how many people are participating, and it'll input names of the people, and each one has to wrap a gift, and then the gifts are wrapped and exchanged, and then the gifts will be sent to random people. Like it will be shuffled around, so someone gets a random gift. So this will act as a present class, and it will be a gift. It'll act like a gift in Java, a Christmas gift. So I'm gonna mix a few fields of the gift. It will contain which one? Private string present. So the present of the gift. What's inside the gift? Is wrapped. And this will be set to true. Wait, let's let's set it to true. Set it to true at first. Or better say it's open. Okay. Set to true when opened. Okay. I'm making noises with my perfume spray. I have a can of perfume spray that I have, and I'm going to try and make noises with it. Okay, so I do these random tingles, like random noises with items I have around my desk for your ASMR. And the next thing I'll do is have a constructor, so let's try that, and I'm going to take the input a string. Whoops. Okay. And so when I create a gift instance, an object, like I will have to give it a item that you want to wrap, and you want to wrap that as a present. So okay. And so I will what I'll do is I'll set the item, this, the present equals item, and is opened will be set to true. Okay, what is this red line saying? Wait, it's a boolean, not a string. Okay, I overlooked that. So, yeah, this will be like a blueprint where I could create gift objects. Like an object is like, in Java, is like a concept of object-oriented programming, where an object is like an instance of like a gift. So, of whatever class you defined, and you could create objects that represent instances of that. Okay. And I'm gonna make a method that will be opened. Okay. So open present void open present, and first it's going to be I'm going to print out a message. Basically, you just open this present, and it will be, if I'm going to check first if is opened, if not is opened, like the gift has not been opened before. I'm going to say set it to true because I already opened the present. Okay, so first, yeah. Okay, open present. Okay, so give it a condition if it's opened. If it's not opened, then I'll set it to true and I'll print something out. So basically it's system.out.println. System.out.println. So you print line. This thing, what it does is print something. So basically I'm going to print out this opening gift. Okay, like that, and then you got a something, or just put A or N, so it could be whatever it is. You got A or N, like, or an apple or a PS5, and then I'll just put this dot, whatever the present is contained inside the gift, and then if it's already opened, it will be, I'll print out something else. So this gift is already opened. Okay. Basically, that's just a gift. Open it, set it to present, and then set is open to false. Okay, it has to be false because when you create a present, you wrap it and basically set it to false yet, so it's not opened. And then you have to open the present to reveal what's inside. Okay, so basically that's it. Okay. So, so what it is this. So what I do is I create a gift, and then now I'll have to use a gift. So now my goal is to test my thing, to test my class to see if it works. So gift my gift, like that, just to try and test it out. I'm sure it works, but I just want to see my progression. So let's say that I get a new let's say coffee syrup. Let's try something out. We want like a warm gift, like something to a theme, a Christmas themed gift. Like normally in winter you would want like something related to hot drinks or something, or anything warm, or a warm sweater. But my gift at open present. Okay, opening gift. You got a coffee syrup. Yay. And then that is it. So it seems to be working. Now what I'm going to try and do is set like a list of participants or something. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to probably make a list of participants who will be getting gifts. Okay. So So I'm gonna do something like list of string. Let's just put names right now. I'm not gonna bother making a separate class for of person objects or something. So participants, so like how many people are participating in the gift. So this is red, so I have to import it. Okay. An array list of string. Okay. So here what I'm going to do is get the user input anything, so a list of participants. Okay. We're making a bit of progress. Okay. I'm going to try to take something else. Take another item on my desk. Make noises with it. I'm holding it far from my mic because I don't want the noises to be too loud, or else it's gonna creep you all. Okay, so basically it's a list of everybody. Names who will be participating. Okay. Basically this class allows you to accept user input. So what I'm going to do is get the user input many names. So what I'm going to do is first ask an int. So this will be the number of participants. In dot next. Okay. Or I better say, instead of that, I'm gonna do reader. Better to say reader than next int. Okay. And the gift exchange. So yeah. So it's gonna ask how many people are participating, and then after that I'm gonna use this variable and loop it over while it's less than that, and each time I'm going to ask what's the name of the second participant or something. So let's try that. So I'm going to do while or something, or do not a while but for here, before I loop. So set I 0, I less than number, and then yeah, let's do that. And I'm going to ask something, so that will be enter the name of participant number. Participant number plus I plus 1 basically sets the first participant will be number 1 up to number 5, because I always starts at 0. So, and then I'm going to to append this participants list and then set the names. Okay. Okay, so this will be string name equals reader dot next line, I think, yeah. And then I'll print out the name. So that the name of the participant number is okay. Whoops. Is okay, is name. Yeah. Okay. Some more noises here. Okay. And that will be that. So, and I'm going to append this to the list. Participants and add the name, I guess. Okay. Now I'm going to try and print out the list. So this will basically get the user input to get all names. Okay. And what I'll then do is what I'll do is then print out the list. So okay, print the list of participants. Okay, just for testing or something, or I might leave it here. In the gift exchange. And then just do a for each here for string name in participants. Okay, fair enough. That's just that way it is, and I'll just print out the name. Now I'm gonna try and test it out. Let's see if it works. The more I write code without testing in between, the more likely I'll be getting an error, an error, an error, an error, an error. Okay. Okay, so how many people? It's asking for a number. Let's try 3, for instance. And I happen to get an error again. It should not be like that. I have 2. I'll have to set something out. So maybe I had some issue with the scanner, that that happens to have like an issue when I do a next into the next string. So maybe I'll just do that next here and see how it works. So I'm gonna try rerunning it. 3. Should not be like that. Okay. maybe print out a message in between just to say that, just to test if this variable is initialized. Okay. Okay. Plus that. Alright, so let's see. I'm gonna run it again. Run it again. Okay, how many people? 4. 4 people. And it just comes in one go. Okay, so that's not what we want. So maybe I'll just do reader.next line here. Because I remember I had this an issue with the scanner class. Like it kind of skips over lines. 4, okay. Kyle, let's see. Myself. Alright. And then I'll do this. Okay, so I should call next line here so that it's going to pass over only in one go, only the first time. So set how many people? 4, Kyle, and let's do John, and then Foo Bar. So these are the 4 people. Okay, Kyle, John, Foo Bar are the participants. Alright. Now, what I'm going to do is each of the participants will wrap a gift. So, okay, so that's the fun part. The fun part begins now. So each person will wrap a gift, a Christmas gift. So here, they're gonna be, that's the best part. So before that, I am making more noises with like a plastic item. Okay. You will not know what item I am making noises with, but if you comment down below what item I am using, you'll get a pin. Okay, so now here's the fun part, coding. Each person then wraps a gift. Okay, so I am going to write another list. A list of gifts. So gifts equals new array list. Basically the list of all the exchange gifts. Okay. And then I am going to make each person will wrap a gift. So this will be it. For each person, for each string, whatever name and participants or something, I am going to print out a message. So string item equals reader.next line. Okay. And I'm gonna write a message. Here's print it something like it is, and then, okay, it is name, and then apostrophe s turn to wrap a present. Okay. What will be the present? Okay. And then get the user input, and then therefore after that I'm going to write a gift, make a gift. So then a gift, new gift, make a new gift, string item, a new gift. What will be the index? So it'll be the item, you pass the item. And then I'm going to append that to append that to yeah, it will be presents gifts dot append add gift, and this will be that it will make a list of gifts, populate that, and now the hardest part is the actual exchanging. So the goal for this is to randomize the list, shuffle the gifts such that the gift ID is not like the same order. So that's it. So see, here it is. So maybe I might do an extra integer field, which will be the ID of the gift. Okay, so that to identify which gift it is, but it'll be only used for programmatically. So okay. And then I'm going to pass in a ID variable. So here I'm going to do just a for I loop instead. So what will be the case here? So size, it should be size, not length. So I'm just using the I variable as the ID. And now I'm going to try and test it out. So let's do another test run to just test this bit of code here. So here it will ask how many people. Let's do 4, same names. And then the names Kyle, John, Doe, and Foo. And I just messed up the last 2, but I don't care. Foo. Okay, list of the 4. Let's do coffee syrup. Coffee syrup for the first present, ramen for the second one, an egg for the third one, and then this guy is generous. Foo. Let's just do a PS5. PS5. Imagine who will get the PS5. Okay. And it exits. So now, after that, I'm just going to print a message that gifts are going to be exchanged. Okay. So I'm going to make more tingles while I think about the next step. So the next step is actually exchanging the gift. And then the thing is that there's a catch, because I don't want it so that, like, if you give a gift, you will not end up the same gift as you wrapped. So if I do an exchange gift, I don't want to end up receiving my own gift. So that's not what you want. So maybe I'm gonna make an order, make a list of IDs, so like from 1 to 5, and then shuffle them. So gifts are shuffling, and then there's gonna be like a hat or something that you'll pick. So now there's gonna be another list of integers which will store all the possible IDs. So here, this will be the list of IDs. So new array list of integers, and then I'm going to just fill it up. And then loop till the gifts. Gifts.size, like that, and then gift IDs dot add I. Okay, so basically I am going to then make it so each person will the gifts will be shuffling. Okay, so Now the shuffling will happen. Alright. So here I'll have to then import random, make an instance of random. So I have to now, I'll have to generate random numbers in order to them to happen. So like to randomly shuffle, it's going to involve random numbers. So yes, it will contain random numbers. Okay. Basically, this one will allow you to generate random numbers, and that's what I'm gonna do. So my idea is I'm gonna loop through every participant, and then each a participant will pick a gift except for their own gift, basically. So what I'm gonna do is for now I'm gonna print out the message saying what gift ID they chose. So now I'm going to do a for loop for each participant, string name and participants. I'm going to do a message, print out a message that it is the next person's turn to unwrap the gift. Okay. Okay, participant name here. Okay. To open a present, and then so basically, are you ready to open? So they pick the gift. Are they ready or something? No, you pick the gift. Are you ready to open? So like, this simulates a exchange gift. Okay, so I think this video is getting pretty long, so I'm going to break this into 2 parts. So I'm going to pause this right now and continue on in the next part. So this is where I'll have to do the shuffling accordingly. And yeah, so I hope you got your new tingles, and if you did, please give this a thumbs up. It'll be greatly appreciated. And stay tuned for part 2 of the exchange gift coding series. Peace out.